Okay, the gloves are already on. Today, we're going to do a front chunk. If those of you who saw my last hair video, I had some stripe of blue. I did a stripe of blue. This time it's going to be a stripe of red, pink. Well, let me show you the box. And we're going to do it on the front because I think I can, I don't know, maybe it'll be visible for longer. I don't know. So this is the other one I was waiting on. This is Violet's color. It's like a reddish pink. And Tammy's coming in. And I'm hoping it looks like that. There might be a mixture between that and that. But this is the before. There's nothing there. It's just a bunch of white and gray and brown. Hi, Tammy. I'd flip it around, but you would see our pinup girls, so. And I'll show you the after as well. Okay, so I don't have a hair clip, so I have to use a chip clip to keep it from falling into my glasses. Let's go check out Tammy's response to the cooking hair now. Do you like the look?
Yes.
With the chip clip in there.
It's sexy.
No, it's not.
It's sexy.
No.
You're turning me on right now.
So I think this ended up better than the blue because of the location I put it at. Some of it's over here, but most of it's over here. Missed a few spots, but it's not a big deal. And that's what the side looks like. So it's mostly just in the front. What do you think, Tammy?
I love it.
Cool. So I'll wear this until it fades away. And then I'll do the blue one again, but up in this location. But what do you guys think? Again, this is the Arcane dye that Hot Topic had. I don't know if they still have it, but they're really big bottles, so it's going to last a little bit. All right, tell me what you guys think. All right, and what color should I look for next if I could find another shade? Bye.